Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move toward our today's topic. If the speaker of your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro is not working, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the speaker problem in your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. Let's watch the video and solve the problem.